Let's dive down and take a look at the creatures hiding in every nook. The dolphin jumps and flips so high, waving its tail as it splashes by. The shark swims fast with a toothy grin. Watch out, little fish, don't go near him. The octopus hides in a rocky cave. With 8 long arms, it's super brave. The jellyfish floats like a glowing light, shining softly, oh what a sight. Oh! The whales sing songs so deep and low, echoing far wherever they go. The seahorse twirls with a curly tail, drifting gently like a tiny sail. Starfish rests on the ocean floor, with 5 little arms it can't ask for more. The calm swims slow, steady, and free, gliding so gracefully through the sea. Oh, what a world so bright and blue, with creatures big and tiny too. The ocean's full of magic and fun. Let's protect it for everyone.